Now I will discuss how to calculate inverse matrix of a 3 cross 3 matrix with some example. Find A inverse where A is equals to 1 2 3 1 3 3 1 2 4. Okay, answer. The given matrix is A is equals to 1 2 3 1 3 3 1 2 4. So this is a given matrix. Okay, now det A is equals to mod A is equals to 1 2 3 1 3 3 1 2 4. So already you know how to calculate. 1 3 into 4 minus 2 into 3 3 4 minus 2 3 2 into 3 minus 2 1 4 1 into 4 minus 1 into 3 1 4 1 3 plus 3 this 3 into 1 2 1 into 2 minus 1 into 3 1 2 1 3. So it is equals to 12 minus 6, that is 6 minus 4 minus 3 1 into 2 2 2 minus 3, that is minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3, is equals to 1, not equals to 0. Okay, so A is non singular matrix and hence A inverse exists. Okay, now so already you know the formula. A inverse is equals to adj A by det A. So you have to calculate adjoint. Okay, so write down now the cofactors of the elements of determinant A are. Now I'm going to discuss a special technique by which you can calculate all cofactors. Now write down this determinant here: 1 2 3 1 3 3 1 2 4. Now write down this first column and second column on the right side: 1 1 1 2 3 2. Now first row and second row write just next to that, that is 1 2 3 1 2. Second row 1 3 3 1 3. Clear? Now very easy, try to understand. Now you cut this two line. Okay, now try to understand how to calculate part by part. Write down A11. How to calculate A11? A11 is equals to this minus this, that is 12 minus 6 is equals to 6. Next A12. How to calculate? This minus this, that is 3 minus 4 is equals to minus 1. Next, A13. How to calculate? This minus this, that is 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 1. Okay. Next, A21. How to calculate A21? From here, this minus this, that is 6 minus 8 is equals to 6 minus 8 is equals to minus 2. A22. How to calculate? From here, this minus this, that is 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Next, A23. How to calculate? From here, this minus this, that is 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now, A31. How to calculate? From here, this minus this, that is 6 minus 9 is equals to minus 3. Now, A32. How to calculate? From here, this minus this, that is 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. Now, A33. How to calculate? From here, 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So these are the cofactors you have. Okay. Clear? Therefore, A inverse is equals to adjoint of A by determinant of A. So determinant value. So what is your determinant value? Here, that is 1. Okay. 1 by 1, and adjoint A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 transpose. Okay. 1 by 1 means 1. Okay. Now substitute the value. A11 is equals to how much? 6. A12 minus 1. A13 minus 1. A21 minus 2. A22 1. A23 0. A31 minus 3. A32 0. A33 1. Transpose. So already you know how to transpose. A matrix means row interchange into columns is equals to, this imply A inverse is equals to, now interchange it, that is 6 minus 1, this row become column, minus 2 1 0, this minus 2 1 be column, and minus 3 0 1. So this is the calculation. Easy, correct?